Hey guys, Urban Gardener here, and I am harvesting these black beans. I took them out of the ground about a week or two ago. Been real busy around here, so I don't remember exactly when, but they've been sitting, drying, and now it's time to shell them. As you see, already began a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and shell out all of these beautiful black beans right here, as you see. And then I'm going to give you a final weight like I did on those pinto beans. So stay tuned. All right, I've got the scale here, so let's put the bag on and we will zero that out. Now let's see what our black bean harvest was. Okay, here we go. It's kind of like black gold. Alright, that's the last of our beans. And it looks like we got 4 ounces of black beans. So nowhere near the pinto bean harvest, but hey, it's a start. And these can be replanted as well. So we'll probably replant a few of these and take the rest home and make up some nice black beans in the pressure cooker. But now, let's take a little tour of the front yard. So, berry patch is doing nice. We've got it cleaned up, looking pretty good. We've gotten the black bean harvest out of here. We've got a little round zucchini that I just harvested. It needs to be cleaned up. We cleaned up the tomato, and we got some good cucumbers coming in. Those are some Japanese cucumbers, some tomatillo. Garden's looking a lot nicer, a lot cleaned up. We've got purple Brussels sprout there and there. We harvested those white Zapallo del Troncos. We'll see how they are. I've got a round zucchini for seed right there. The chirimoya is doing fairly well. And we've got our dark galaxy cherry tomatoes over here. One's fallen on the ground, so we'll just let that one seed out. We've got some nice fresh ones coming. I harvested some triple L's. We've got some more triple L's there, and some more triple L's, and some black crimson. There's some self-sown lettuce in here next to some chamomile. And some more Brussels sprouts that are a little bit stunted, but it's okay. And then a beautiful Jacinto or dinosaur kale right there. So that's just a quick tour after the bean harvest to show you where the beans came from. Some nasturtium here, and these are more pinto beans that I put in. The pinto beans did really well, and I think they'll do really well with the Malabar spinach as well. And then I have some Blue Lake and some purple pods that I am letting go to seed, and I will replant those. Everything's coming along pretty nicely out here in the semi-permaculture produce stand. With that, guys, keep happy, stay stoned, and urban garden.